Multiplication.
Multiplication. The product of two or more numbers is called multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication. It is called as into. Example: 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. Multiplication is also called as repeated addition. For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This can be written as 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 0 into any number is equal to 0. For example, 0 into 5 is equal to 0 and 0 into 10 is equal to 0. 1 into any number is equal to the same number. Here is an example. 1 into 7 is equal to 7 and 1 into 3 becomes 3. Multiplication of a number in a row with number in a column or vice versa gives same product. For example, 3 into 5 is equal to 15 and 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 32 into 3 is equal to 96. The number which we multiply is called as multiplicand. In the given example, 32 into 3 is equal to 96. 32 is multiplicand. The number which multiplies is called a multiplier. That is, 3 is a multiplier. The answer is called a product. Therefore, 96 is its product. Multiplication of two-digit number with a single-digit number. 54 into 2. Step 1. Multiply the number in ones place by 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Write down the answer below ones digit, that is 8. Instead, to multiply the number in tens place by 2, 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Thus, the answer is 108. Try for some more examples. 44 into 2, 32 into 3, 40 into 4. Multiplication of a three-digit number with single-digit number. Here is an example. 121 into 4. At first, multiply the number in ones place by 4 and write the answer 4. Then, multiply the number in tens place by 4, that is, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And write below the same tens place. Multiply the number in hundreds place by 4, that is, 4 into 1 is equal to 4. And write in hundreds place. Thus, the answer is 484. The same method goes on with the other digits also. Multiplication of a number by 10, 100 and 1000. For example, 7 into 10 is equal to 70. 23 into 10 is equal to 230. 432 into 10 is equal to 4320. 5421 into 10 is equal to 54210. When we multiply a number by 10, the product contains the number with a 0 tagged at the right end. Here is another example. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 23 into 100 is equal to 2300. 432 into 100
We know that multiplication is simply a repeated addition. We have learned how to multiply 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Let us understand with more examples. Example 1. Multiply 315 by 3. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns and multiply. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Remember, multiplicand, the number to be multiplied. Multiplier, the number by which any number is multiplied. Product, the result obtained after multiplication. Step 2. Start multiplying from the ones column always. Multiply ones. 5 ones into 3 is equal to 15 ones. Is equal to 10 ones plus 5 ones. Is equal to 1 tenth plus 5 ones. Carry 1 tenth to the tens place and write 5 under ones column. Step 3. Multiply tens. 1 tenth into 3 plus 1 tenth carry over is equal to 3 tenths plus 1 tenth is equal to 4 tenths. Is equal to place 4 under tens column. Remember, do not forget to add the carryover number while multiplying. Step 4. Multiply hundreds. 3 hundreds into 3 is equal to 9 hundreds. Is equal to place 9 under hundreds column. Therefore, 315 into 3 is equal to 945. Example 2. Multiply 743 by 5. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns. Remember, the product obtained after multiplication can be equal to, when multiplied by 1, greater than the number when multiplied by any other number. Product can never be smaller except when one of the numbers is 0. Step 2. Always start multiplying from the ones column. Multiply ones. 3 ones into 5 is equal to 15. Is equal to 10 ones, 5 ones. Is equal to 1 tenth, 5 ones. Carry 1 to the tens place and place 5 under ones. Multiply tens. 4 tenths into 5 plus 1 tenth carry over. Is equal to 20 tenths plus 1 tenth is equal to 21 tenths. Is equal to 2 hundredths plus 1 tenth. Carry 2 to the hundreds place and place 1 under tens. Multiply hundreds. 7 hundredths into 5 plus 2 hundredths carry over is equal to 35 hundredths plus 2 hundredths is equal to 37 hundredths is equal to 30 hundredths plus 7 hundredths is equal to 3 thousandths plus 7 hundredths. Write 7 in the hundreds column and 3 in the thousands column. Therefore, 743 into 5 is equal to 3715. Properties of multiplication. 1. Order property or commutative property of multiplication. When we multiply two numbers, the product remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, 12 into 7 is equal to 7 into 12 is equal to 84, as 12 into 7 is equal to 84, or 7 into 12 is equal to 84. Product is equal. 5 into 9 is equal to 9 into 5 is equal to 45, as 5 into 9 is equal to 45, or 9 into 5 is equal to 45. The product is equal. 2. Grouping property or associative property of multiplication. When 3 or more numbers are multiplied together, the product is the same even when the grouping of numbers is changed. For example, 15 into 3 into 2 is equal to 45 into 2 is equal to 90. Or 15 into 3 into 2 is equal to 15 into 6 is equal to 90. The product is equal. Therefore, 15 into 3 into 2 is equal to 15 into 3 into 2. Remember, grouping property is true for 3 or more numbers only. B. 4 into 5 into 7 is equal to 20 into 7 is equal to 140. Or 4 into 5 into 7 is equal to 4 into 35 is equal to 140. The product is equal. Therefore, 4 into 5 into 7 is equal to 4 into 5 into 7. 3. Multiplicative identity property. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. For example, 216 into 1 is equal to 216. 52 into 1 is equal to 52. 4. Zero property of multiplication. When any number is multiplied by 0, the product obtained is 0. For example, 12 into 0 is equal to 0. 97 into 0 is equal to 0. 5. Distributive property of multiplication. A number can be distributed and then multiplied. The product remains the same. For example, 4 into 10 plus 3 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 4 into 3. 4 into 10 plus 3 is equal to 40 plus 12. 4 into 13 is equal to 52 is equal to 52. Therefore, the result is the same. B. 2 into 7 plus 12 is equal to 2 into 7 plus 2 into 12. 2 into 19 is equal to 14 plus 24. 38 is equal to 38. Therefore, the result is the same.